Welcome to my cooking show, It's Supper Time, presented by Street Chef on Public Access Television. I want to thank Norm Compton. It's like my 7th season on Public Access. However, we just got the show back on because of the COVID. The library just opened on July 6th. Reason why I'm here on Freiman Square, Fort Wayne, the city of Fort Wayne, the mayor's office, the right-of-way, Fort Wayne Police Department has given me the keys to the city. So that means, yes, we are going to have a one-day festival on July 18th. It's going to be a bomb party for the city, what I'm putting on. So I'm here at Freiman Square. That's what we're going to be, 9 a.m. to 10 p.m. I also have Main Street blocked off. So I'm going to thank Joe Jordan with the Boys and Girls Club taking care of that chalkboard walk for us. So on Friday night, you can come down on Main Street. Half of it will be blocked off for that chalkboard. So the Boys and Girls Club, come on down, take care of the streets for us on that. The other half of Main Street, we're going to have a lot of food vendors working on also doing an elf and ears for us. Inside this park here, we're going to have Small Business Saturday. So it's more important right now, we need to take care of the small business owners in Fort Wayne. I'm not charging any of these vendors to come down. It's coming out of my own pocket. So we're going to have Small Business Saturday inside Freiman Square on the 18th. We're also, I want to thank Just Not Dex for supplying us flags, 30 of them. So we're going to put out 30 of these flags, or we're like a melting pot of a country. So we have the Mexicos, the Brazil, Puerto Rico, Venezuela. So we have all the Cuba, Canada, Netherlands, Wales, Army, Navy, Air Force, and Marines, POW. We got them all. So you come down, you want one of those flags, you go ahead and bid on it at Just Not Dex booth. Appreciate Mike for taking care of that. Not only that, you would be able to walk away with that flag, and all that money proceeds from all those flags on the 18th are going to go over to the rescue mission. We're going to help try to feed the homeless. So that's a good thing. The Boys and Girls Club are going to be taking the shirts literally off their back and selling their shirt apparel for this special day so they can raise money. So we can hope to raise about $5,000 for the Boys and Girls Club. That's what we need your support. We're going to come and unite as one for one day on July 18th. So on the backside of this park, we're going to have a car and bike show. Yes, a car and bike show. Then at the end of the night, about 10:15, more specifically, I want to thank the Fort Wayne Fire Department, Bill Bead, taking care of our fireworks. Because as you know, they canceled the 4th. So we brought those fireworks over on the 18th. So come on down. If you don't want to come down, don't be scared. The only entrance into the event is going to be off of Bar Street in Maine, and your exit's over by the car show off of Clinton Street. So I appreciate it. Thank you. Start spreading the word, and I'll see you on the 18th. Peace.